Hey guys, Walter here with Federal Brace, and today we're looking at a fan favorite. This one is called the Versa. It's a very versatile bracket that can be installed 3 different ways and is available in 5 new sizes. Let's get started. This is the Versa. This bracket is cold rolled steel, powder coated black, ready for your next project, and can hold up to 500 pounds. Most people use these for wall-mounted counters or floating vanities, but honestly, it works for any type of counter that you're looking to install. Now, this is available in 5 new sizes, and we're going to show you some of those sizes here. Now you'll see we have sizes now that go from 8 inches all the way up to 20 inches for the Versa. Now these are available in 2 different categories on our website, from floating vanity to hidden countertop support. And we're going to show you how to install one right now. And we've got our stud here, and we mentioned 3 different ways you can install the Versa. It can be face mounted on your stud. It can be mounted to the right side of a stud, or it can be flipped to mount to the left side of your stud. Kind of super easy to put up, and we're going to get started on that in 3, 2, 1. Now, what you'll notice about the Versa that makes it able to be installed in 3 different ways is that there's actually holes on both sides of the flanges. And if you see this inside flange here, you'll see that there's actually holes here and holes on this side. And we've done that as well on the top and the top side of the flange. That allows it to be flipped, whatever orientation you like. And now we're gonna move to the next one. All right, now we're gonna flip it to the other side of the stud. Now, whether you like to mount your Versas on the left side, right side, or face mounted, make sure you buy them from federalbrace.com, all the way from 8 inches up to 20 inches. We'll see you for the next one.